Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you guys doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. So, I see that someone is not here today. And do you guys know who is not here today? There is one person.
Raisa.
Raisa. Where is she? Does anyone know?
I don't know.
I
don't know, sir.
No one knows.
Please.
She didn't tell us anything, sir.
She didn't tell anything.
Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
You didn't know ya?
I don't know,
I
sir.
don't know, sir.
Please ask her, right?
Yes,
why,
sir.
why she doesn't come to our class today? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to be learning about the material that we have learned before. And today we are going to be learning about the material that you have learned before. But because before we run out of time, and I will continue about that material. This is our material before. You guys remember what is this material about?
Procedure text.
Procedure text. And what do you remember about procedure text before?
The procedure text is the text that inform us how to make something, how to doing something.
Yes, that's right. Procedure text is a text that tell us about to do something. But today we are going to be focusing not on the structure or the definition of procedure text, but we are going to be focused on the action verb of procedure text. So what is the action verb of procedure text? So the action verbs typically in the present tense are verbs that express the specific action. Remember that. Action verb express specific actions and is needed to achieve the goal of procedure text. What is the main point of the first point is to express specific action and is needed to achieve the goal of procedure text. The second point must be clear and direct. And the third point it is crucial in a procedure text. And the next step is we are going to do the examples of action verb. So here we have some example of the action verb. The first part of the action is not the recipe but the general action verb, such as open, close, seal, lock, unlock, lift, raise, lower, carry, or move. And because we are going to be specific in a recipe, the action verb in the recipe is mix, blend, stir, whisk, fold, pour, add, sprinkle, and spread. Can you guys repeat it after me? First is mix.
Mix.
Second is blend. Third is
Stir.
stir.
Mix.
Fourth is whisk. Fifth, fold. And sixth, pour. And the seventh, add. And the eighth, sprinkle. And the ninth is spread. Alright. Give applause to you guys, everyone. Alright, so the next is we are going to identify the action verb in this procedure text. So in the previous slide, you already know what is the action verb, right?
Yes.
So now we are going to be identifying it in this procedure text. On the first step, crack an egg into a bowl. What do you think is the action verb in this first step? Crack? Crack. That's right, it's crack.
Okay.
And we are going to be moving on to second steps. Whisk the egg with a fork until it is smooth. What is the action verbs here? Whisk. It is whisk. Whisk the egg with a fork until it is smooth. And on the third step, add milk and whisk. Well, there are two action verbs in the third steps. What is it?
Whisk.
Add and whisk. That's right. On the fourth steps, grate the cheese into the bowl and stir. There are also two action verbs here. on the fourth step. What is it?
Great.
Hmm?
Great.
Great. That's right. It's great and
Stairs.
stairs. Okay. On the fifth step, heat the oil in a frying pan. One action verb. What is it? Heat. On the sixth step, pour the mixture into the frying pan. One action verb. What is it?
Pour.
Pour. That's right. On the seventh steps, turn the omelette with a spatula when it browns. Again, one action verbs. What is it? Turn. It's turn. On the eight steps, cook both sides. Again, one action verb. Cook. And then on the nine steps, place on a plate, spread salt and pepper. Two action verbs. What is it? Spread. Spread. And one more. Place. It's place. And the last. Yeah. And the last steps, one action verb. Eat. That's right. Give applause to you guys, everyone. Okay. So now you guys know what to identify the action verb in a procedure text. I think it's better if we're going to do another quiz to test your knowledge. Yeah, can you see the text on the screen clearly?
Yes.
Okay, so it's the procedure text, and action verb is usually in the steps part of the action of the procedure text, not in the ingredients or on the title. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start the quiz on the first steps. First, crack the eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper, whisk until acyl is well blended. What is the action verb on the first step? Crack. And what else?
Pinch. Oh,
Pinch.
Add.
oh,
And then?
Whisk.
Whisk.
Blended.
No.
oh.
And we move on to the second steps. In a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. There are two action verbs here. Add. Let. Are you sure it's let?
Melt.
Huh?
Melt.
Let or melt?
Melt.
Melt. Melt or let?
Both.
It.
I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Yeah, we will know it later. What is it, do you think? Let it melt?
Melt.
Let. Yeah.
Let or melt?
Let.
Both.
Both? Let's try both, right?
Yeah.
On the third step, pour in the eggs and milk and wait for around 20 seconds. What is the action verb here? There are two. Pour.
Or.
And then?
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah.
On the fourth step, after that, fold the eggs to the center and stir it with a spatula. What is the action verb here? Fold. Stir. Stir is like this. It's stir. But this stir. On the fifth step, repeat the previous step until all the eggs are mostly cooked. There is one action verb here.
Repeat.
Repeat. On the sixth steps, remove the eggs from the heat and continue to fold and stir the eggs for around a minute. There are, I think it's about 3 or 4 action verbs here.
Remove. Mister. Continue.
Continue. Who said continue?
Sila.
Sila. Okay.
Fold.
Fold.
Stir.
And the last steps, Last, leave the eggs and put them on a serving plate. Your scrambled eggs are ready.
Leave.
Leave
Leave.
Elevator.
and another one action verb here.
Put.
So, how confident are you with your answer?
So confident.
16%.
16%?
Apa 16%? 60%.
60.
90.
Okay, let's check the answer ya.
Okay.
Ah.
Who wants for me?
Yeah.
So it's not melt, but it's only let. Since let it melt, the let is the action verb.
I get 100%.
Nah, okay. So, what do we learn from today's class about action verbs? Does anyone want to move forward to the front of the class?
Bulan,
Ulan, do
sir.
you want to move to the front of the class?
Bulan, sir.
Yeah, give applause to Ulan. So Ulan, what do we learn today?
Today we learn about action verbs,
Hmm?
and the action verbs is the verbs that we use to explain about actions. Yes, and there are some action verbs like stir and correct, pour. Yes. Stir.
Yeah, that's correct. Give applause to Ulan. Another one, I need another students to move forward to check their understanding. Who want to move forward?
Wirawan, sir.
Wirawan, do you want?
Wirawan, sir.
Please move forward.
Okay, so for my reflection today, I think we can understand about what action verb is, and we already understand about the example as well.
So, do you think action verb is important or not in a procedure text?
I think yes, it is because procedure is telling you how to do something, so action verb is really important.
It's really important.
Yes.
Okay, thank you Wirawan. Give applause to Wirawan. Okay guys, I think that's all about today's class, and remember to check your Google Classroom because I have put the assignment for your next week's meeting. Okay? Okay. Please don't be sad. It's all for your own good. Okay? Okay. So I think that's all today. Thank you for coming to my class today. See you on another meeting. Goodbye everyone.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, Mister.